Today we're going to be changing out front fenders and inner fenders on our Jeep Rubicon in order to run larger rims and tires. Right now I'm looking to see what all I have to take loose, what parts, pieces, clips. There's a clip there, clip, bolt, and bolt. Look like. I think that's pretty much everything that holds it on. I know the inner fender and the outer fender will come off as a unit, so I'm just checking to see what I got to take loose. I think those are 10. I'll go get me a 10 millimeter and see about taking them off. There's 3-4 bolts. There's one here, and way up here you'll need an extension to get. We'll pull them loose and hopefully the fender will come off. Go. Now it's just to pop it off. All right, here we go. And get in here to get this lock unhooked. Here we go. And that's this fender off. Now we just got to take the clips off, and we can see about installing new ones. I've got it roughly hung here, loosely installed with the fracture hardware. It comes with button head Allens I'm going to swap to when I actually install it hard. But there's 2 holes got to be drilled. One is right here, we'll mark. And the other is right here, which I'm going to mark too. Alright, now take it back off, drill my 2 holes, and be able to install it for good. Right here is the first hole I got to drill, so here we go. I think that's close. A little further. Alright, there's that one. Now I just got to drill the other one. Alright, we're fixing to install the inner fender for the final time. Hopefully everything goes right. Come with these little butt head bolts for hardware, and I'm using. Here. That's right. Get one started. starter. There's that one started. And the last one started. Getting this one started. I'll run them all up and we'll show you what it looks like. We're fixing to install the fender. So here we go. Alright, we're running them up now. We've got about halfway done. Once you get it hung, get the bolt put in. It's just a matter of tightening the bolts up. This is a fairly straightforward install. It's special on the front. You know, the back, there's going to be some tricks to them. This concludes the install of the fronts. Now all we have to do is the rears, and we'll be one step closer to our goals. Tune in next time when we install the rears. Like and subscribe and follow for more.